Hey everybody, it's Bucky again, back again with another video. So I'm going to continue my series of GoPro accessories, and today I have the 3-way 2.0. It's a tripod, grip, and arm. That's what the box says. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Here's the front of the box. We have a picture of the tripod here in all its three functions: tripod, grip, and arm. Here we have the compatibility. It's compatible with all GoPro cameras. Here's the back of the box. In it we have the 3-way 2.0. We have a swivel base, and there is a wrist strap. Let me read to you the description. The 3-way 2.0 is 3 essential mounts in one. It's an ergonomic camera grip that transforms into a tripod, plus an extension arm for selfies or follow shots. A built-in ball joint even lets you tilt your camera or swivel it 360 degrees. That sounds truly amazing, and a massive innovation, the likes of which humanity has never seen. And then on this side of the box, we have the lifetime warranty. Let's open it up. Once again, I have my trusty ceramic slice blade. So let's cut the box open. So it looks like a little tray inside that we'll pull out, if I can get it out. I have to say that they make it very difficult to get the item out of the box, so I'm not happy with the design of the box. It's unnecessary. Should be simple, easy to open. That's disappointing. Alright, we got some paperwork in the box. We have the limited lifetime warranty. This doesn't say limited, actually. We have the lifetime warranty here. Alright, here's the item. Looks like we have the strap here. Very nice. And then we have the swivel head here. Alright, let me take it out of the box. I will say again, this is truly unnecessarily difficult. Alright, so here we go. Let me just put this to the side. There we go. Okay, so it looks like we have two knobs here to tighten it in position, so let's loosen them up a little bit. Okay. So here we have it in full extension. If I can get it in the screen, there we go. Let me just loosen this one up. There we go. And then this can straighten out. On the end, we have the little buckle clamp here, and we have a 360 ball joint extension. The ball joint here is plastic, so I do have questions about its durability, but we'll have to test that. It locks into place nicely with this little lock here. Here on the end, we have the tripod feature. So there we go. That's the tripod feature. The strap really is just not in a good position, unfortunately. I'll probably take it off. I'm just trying to loosen up this. So we can straighten it out. It's just kind of like this. You can use it as a pretty decent selfie stick. So there you have it. That's the three-way 2.0. We'll test it out, and I'll get back to you soon to see if I like it. All right, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye now. I'll see you in the next one.